Your wallet is more than just a practical item for carrying money and cards. It holds significant symbolic value in shaping your financial stability and prosperity. According to Vastu Shastra, astrology, and Hindu beliefs, the way you maintain and treat your wallet can influence the flow of positive energy in your life, impacting both your wealth and well-being. In this video, we will talk about certain lucky items kept in wallets that, despite being considered lucky, might actually bring bad luck for you. But before that, let's learn about some important things related to wallets. From a Vastu Shastra perspective, the wallet represents the financial energy you carry with you. To ensure prosperity, it is recommended to choose a wallet in colors associated with wealth and positivity, such as red, black, or brown. These colors symbolize stability, energy, and security. Avoid using worn-out or damaged wallets, as they are believed to create financial stagnation. Furthermore, always keep your wallet organized and free from clutter. Unnecessary items like old receipts, expired cards, or junk papers block the flow of positive energy and should be removed regularly. Hindu astrology emphasizes the importance of aligning material possessions, such as your wallet, with auspicious elements. Always keep some money in your wallet and avoid letting it run completely out of cash. It is considered lucky to keep a small amount of money as a seed for wealth, which should never be spent. This symbolic practice encourages the continuous flow of abundance. You can carry a piece of silver or a small gold coin to attract prosperity, as these metals are sacred in Hindu culture and resonate with wealth energy. Now, let's move on to the main topic of this video. Many people keep images of deities, such as Devi Lakshmi or Bhagwan Ganesh, Bhagwan Kuber, etc., in their wallets, believing this will bring blessings and prosperity. Some people also carry holy symbols like a swastik or a yantra, such as the Shri Yantra, in their wallets. However, this practice is not advisable because we often carry our wallets in places like washrooms or other unclean environments, and they are handled in ways that are not respectful to these sacred images. Such treatment can lead to negative energy instead of positivity. To truly honor divine energy, it is better to reserve a dedicated space, like a puja temple or altar at home for worship and devotion. Your focus should be on connecting with the divine mentally and spiritually rather than carrying their representations in your wallet. Many times, we keep silver coins with Devi Lakshmi's imprint in our wallets, but these should not be kept in the wallet either. There is no harm in keeping images of deities in your wallet, but you must remove your wallet before entering places like the washroom to ensure that the deities are not disrespected. When you return from places like the washroom, make sure to clean yourself properly and then place your wallet back in your pocket. Instead of keeping images of deities or any yantras in your wallet, you should keep yellow mustard seeds. According to Vastu Shastra, keeping yellow mustard seeds in your wallet ensures continued blessings and protects against the evil eye. It helps maintain a stable and positive financial situation. Ultimately, your wallet should symbolize gratitude and respect for the wealth you possess. By maintaining it thoughtfully and aligning its use with sacred principles, you not only enhance your financial energy but also invite harmony and prosperity into your life. Treat your wallet as a sacred vessel, and it will serve as a steady anchor for your journey, abundance, and success.
That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit, God bless you.